Welcome back, everyone. It is a Vlogmas. It's actually the same night, so it is Saturday right now. I had to think for a second. I just got done editing and uploading the video. It's currently uploading right now, I should say. It says that it has an hour and 33 minutes, so that means that it will be uploaded around 8:30 tonight. I was hoping to have it up by 7, but that did not work. But this vlog will be able to go up earlier because I'm starting to film it now. So it's the same night, but I'm not done. I still have a lot of stuff to do. So today we are going to clean, wrap presents. I need to remove these extensions and do a self tan. Tomorrow we have church, and then I want to finish decorating and possibly clean some more. I have a lot of cleaning that I have to do. And I have to get Bella ready because she goes to see the vet on Monday to get an ultrasound done to see how many babies she's having. Let's get started. Also, there's going to be a giveaway in today's video again, because like I said, I'm behind. Stay tuned for what we will be giving away in today's video. I think what I want to do first is clean this beauty room because it needs a good clean. Yeah, so I'm going to get this cleaned. I have to go pick Abby up once she gets back to the school, and then Chris is going to make some steak bites. I am super excited about them. Let's get cleaning this beauty room.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas
all you see is a floating head. I go cross-eyed all the time, you guys. Editing these videos, I realize that I go cross-eyed a lot, and you guys are shaking like crazy. But yeah, you can't really see me, so I'm gonna go pick up my niece and then go back home. And I think what I'm going to do is go back home and either remove these extensions so I can get that done, and then wrap presents, and then self-tan, and then call it a night. I think that's what I'm going to do, because I want to get these extensions out. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Hello everyone, welcome back. It is Sunday, and I took out my extensions last night. My hair feels 100 times better. I did do a self-tan. You can't really tell, but I did. I am going to wrap presents now because my mom ordered some stuff and it came with my stuff, so I have to find that for my mom so she can come down and get it because she wants to wrap her present. So let's get wrapping presents.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow.
So I just got done wrapping most of the presents. There's still some on the couch, and then there's still some coming, and then there's more that we're gonna have to wrap that I just don't have the stuff to do it. So what I'm going to do now is take all of these presents, bring them into my closet so I can store them in there. Chris, my lovely husband, is making,
That's me.
yeah, is making some of this, the same thing that we had last night for supper. He's making that again because he's such a good guy.
And because it's really good.
And because it's really good. So now that I got the wrapping done, I'm gonna put this away, clean up, and then I need to change over laundry. Laundry will be going all day today because we have a lot to get done.
I don't know if she can link it a TikTok or not, but it's to make these steak bites. You can take any old cut of meat, doesn't matter. You marinate it for 2 to 4 hours in the fridge, and then you air fry it. Delicious. I've started to add my own little spin on it a little bit, but it's very, very simple. So I did that, and then all I do is I make rice, and then I take peppers and onions, cut them up. So you cook everything in a pan with some oil, do some garlic, whatever, but then I put in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and then we cook it up. Oh, I could get that stuff going on the oven or the stove. Stove! Tap! So I usually run my heat about medium-high heat, which is about a 4 on our scale. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and Alright, so all I do, you know, just toss it around a little bit. You just toss it, and then you're just gonna let her set. We're gonna let her set and cook for a little bit. Say hello to the Betty. And we will get our rice going. So here's a little trick I learned with rice. So we just do the 5-minute instant rice. Use a little bit less water than what it tells you to use, just a little bit, because what happens is the rice, it'll actually have a little bit of water left in the very bottom that will not soak up and absorb. If you do a cup for 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 a cup. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at the instructions on how to make instant rice. And then I think what I'll do is I'll probably just throw the steak in here with this stuff when it's ready. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and do the A1 and the Worcestershire sauce, and we'll get our steak put in there. The steak should warm up, I would assume, at about the right rate for the veggies to be done cooking in here. But anyways, then once you're done, you basically have like a little bit of a chicken, or a little steak stir fry. But, I don't know, just something I started experimenting with and it works out real nice. Rice just needs another minute or so and I'll show you what I do. Alright, so what I do is I just get a clump of rice sitting here. Just like that. I might have used a little too much water or didn't have enough rice in here because it's just not absorbing. The other thing I've noticed is sometimes it takes a little more than 5 minutes too. But we'll get the rest of this rice in on here. Alright, then I just take and split this up half and half. And then it should be good.
Okay, so Chris just made me some food. I ate that. That was so good. His his steak bites. So good. So good. So I want to show you guys what is in today's giveaway. The first thing you're going to get is this from Makeup Revolution, and it is the Friend palette. Looks like this. It has a lot of nice neutral like brown shades in there, so that should be fun. And it's shaped like a ham, right? Or is that a turkey? A turkey. It's shaped like a turkey. The next thing you're going to get is some sponges. You guys, I can't tell you how much I love them. They are amazing. You're going to get some Ioni lashes, the glue to apply them. You're going to get all of these Sephora, what are they? They are the Sephora Jelly Melt. They're called the Jelly Melts. And then the last thing you're going to get is this 5-piece MAC lipstick thing. And you also get a MAC bag with it too. So I thought that would be really pretty for the holidays. So that is everything that's going to be in today's giveaway. All you have to do, subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video, and that's it. I'm gonna be done with this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also have to pick the winner for the family giveaway tonight, and I think the other one is the following day. I'll have to check. But yeah, if you have won one of my giveaways, they will be shipped out tomorrow, so you will get a tracking number tomorrow. I am behind and I apologize for that, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.